Hello students, how are you? Students, yesterday I explained 6 part of the lesson. Now today I am going to explain 7 part of it. Now listen. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Students, the narrator Hari Singh is saying that he had forgotten about learning to read and write in excitement of theft, because Anil was teaching him to read and write, and in excitement of theft he had forgotten about that. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. Hari Singh is saying that after learning to read and write whole sentences, he would be able to earn lot of money. It was a simple matter to steal and something just as simple to be caught. Anil is saying that it was a very easy thing to steal, to rob anyone, and it is also easy to be caught after being detected. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. And he is saying to steal anyone is very simple, but to live a life like a gentle, clever and respected person was different, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. That is why he said to himself that he should return to Anil's room, because he wanted to learn read and write. I hurried back to room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. After that, he started moving towards Anil's room hurriedly. While he was moving towards Anil's room, he was feeling very nervous, because he is saying, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. He is saying that he was feeling nervous while moving towards Anil's house, because it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected, and he was going to return Anil's stolen money. That is why he was feeling nervous. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. After reaching Anil's room, he opened the door and stood in the doorway in the clouded moonlight, because moon was covered with the cloud. Clouded moonlight, and Anil was still asleep. When he reached Anil's room, he saw that Anil was still sleeping. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. After that, he reached to the head of the bed silently, without making noise. And after that, he took the bundle of notes in his hand. I felt his breath on my hand. While he was at the head of the bed, he was feeling Anil's breath on his hand. I remained still for a minute. When he was feeling Anil's breath on his hand, then he remained motionless for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the nose. After that, he moved his hands under the mattress. He slipped his hand under the mattress. He slipped his hand under the mattress along with the notes, along with the bundle of notes. And after that, he kept that bundle of notes under the mattress and then moved away from there. And in order to sleep in the balcony where he used to sleep. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write the explanation, and I will explain the next part of it tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.